Hey guys, welcome back to the session.
Here next one is what exercise 1.4. In this prove that the following are what irrational numbers. First one is 1 by root 2. Second one is root 3 plus root 5. Third one is 6 plus root 2. And fourth one is root 5. And fifth one is 3 plus 2 root 5. In this first one is what 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Here we have to prove what 1 by root 2 is irrational number. To prove this one here first let us assume that root 1 by root 2 is rational. If 1 by root 2 is rational number, it is in the form of what? P by Q form. That is 1 by root 2 equals to P by Q, where P and Q are what? Integers. Where P and Q are integers. And Q is not equals to 0. Here if 1 by root 2 equals to P by Q, then what about root 2 equals to here? Q by P here. That is root 2 equals to Q by P means here it is in the form of what? Rational. If Q by P is rational, then automatically root 2 is also what? Rational. That is root 2 is rational. Rational from the above condition. That is, if root 2 is rational here, what is the fact here? Root 2 is not a rational number. That is, it contradicts the facts. It contradicts the facts that what is the fact here? Root 2 is irrational. Why we are getting this contradiction here? Because of our assumption. What is our assumption here? 1 by root 2 is rational number. This contradiction arises because of our assumption. Because of our assumption. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong means what? 1 by root 2 is what? Irrational number. 1 by root 2 is irrational number here. Once see here. Here to prove this 1 by root 2 is irrational number, we are assuming 1 by root 2 is rational. If it is in the rational form here, root 2 is of 1 by root 2 is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are what? Integers. From this 1 by root 2 equals to P by Q, root 2 is equals to what here? Q by P here. It is of the form what? Rational. That is, if Q by P is rational, automatically root 2 is also rational number. But root 2 is what here? Actually irrational number. That is, it contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. This contradiction, why we are getting this contradiction? Because of our assumption. Our assumption is root 2 is rational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is what? Irrational number. Next, second one is what? Root 3 plus root 5. root 3 plus root 5. To prove this root 3 plus root 5 is irrational, first assume root 3 plus root 5 is what? Rational number. To prove this, let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. If it is rational, it is in the form of what? Root 3 plus root 5 is equals to what? P by Q form, where Q is what? Not equals to 0. And P and Q are what? Integers. Here root 3 plus root 5 equals to P by Q means here square on both, that is squaring on both sides. If you square on both sides, you get what? Root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to P by Q whole square. That means it is in the form of what? A plus B whole square form. A plus B whole square means A square. First, A square means what here? Root 3 whole square plus 2AB, that is 2 into, in A place value is what? Root 3 and B place value is what? Root 5. 2 into root 3 into root 5 plus A square plus 2AB plus B square. B means what? Root 5. Root 5 whole square. And this is what here? P by Q whole square means P square by Q square. P square by Q square. Now it is what? Square and root cancel. And here also square and root cancel. Now it is 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equals to what? Root 3 5s are 15. 2 root 15. Plus here 5. It is equals to P square by Q square. Now it is what? 2 root 15 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 8 equals to P square by Q square. Implies here 2 root 15 is equals to what? Write this 8 RHS side. Now it is what? P square by Q square minus 8. Minus 8. That means here 2 root 15 is equals to, here LCM is what here? Q square is the LCM. Now here P square minus 8 into Q square, that is 8Q square here. That is 2 root 15 equals to P square minus 8Q square by Q square. Next one is what here? Root 15 is equals to what? P square minus 8Q square by P square minus 8Q square by, here we are having Q square. Write this to RHS side. Now it is comes in the denominator part, that is 2Q square. 2Q square. Once you see here P square minus 8Q square by 2Q square. Here P and Q are what? Integers where Q is not equals to 0. That is, if it is the P and Q are integers, this total P square minus 8Q square by 2Q square is what? Rational number. If it is rational, automatically root 15 is what? Rational number. But this contradicts the fact what? Root 15 is what? Irrational number. That is, if root 15 is irrational, what is our assumption? Root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Our assumption is wrong. That means root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number here. Once you see, Here we are assuming root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Root 3 plus root 5 equals to rational means it is in the form of p by q. P by q. Then we are squaring on both sides. We are doing here. Now it is what root 3 plus root 5 whole square equals to p by q whole square. Now LHS side is of the form a plus b whole square. That is a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means root 3 whole square and 2ab means 2 into root 3 into root 5 plus b square means what? Root 5 whole square. And RHS side p by q whole square means p square by q square. Now it is square root cancel and here also square root get cancelled. Now it is 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 means root 15 plus 5 equals to p square by q square. Now it is what? 2 root 15, 3 plus 5 equals to what? 8. 8 equals to p square by q square. Now 2 root 15 equals to p square by q square. We are writing 8 on HS side. Now plus 8 is changed as what? Minus 8. Now 2 root 15 equals to p square. Here LCM is what? Q square. That is p square minus 8 into q square equals to 8q square. Now we are writing what? Root 15 equals to p square minus 8q square by 2q square. That is RHS side shows as what? It is rational form. Then automatically LHS is also rational. It shows that p square minus 8q square by 2q square is rational. That is root 15 is also rational. But root 15 is what? Irrational number. That is, this contradicts the facts that root 15 is irrational. Why we are getting this contradiction? Because of our assumption. Here, this contradiction arises because of our assumption. Arises because of our assumption. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong means what here? Root 3 plus root 5 is what? Irrational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Next to do this 6 plus root 2, that is third one, and fourth one is root 5. 6 plus root 2 and root 5 as homeworks. Next one is fifth one, that is 3 plus 2 root 5. That is, we have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. To prove this one, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is what? What is the contradiction to 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational? Rational number. Rational. if it is rational, it is in the form of what? P by Q form. That is 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to what? P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to what? 0. That is here 2 root 5 is equals to what? Write this 3 RHS side. Now it is what? P by Q minus 3 here. Here 2 root 5 is equals to what is here? LCM is Q. Now it is what? P minus 3Q by Q. Now what about root 5 is equals to here? Root 5 is equals to P minus 3Q by, write this 2 also RHS side. Now P minus 3Q by what? 2Q. P minus 3Q by 2Q. That is, it shows that what? If P and Q are integers, it shows that if P comma Q are integers, P minus 3Q by 2Q is rational. That is, if it is rational, root 5 is also what? Rational. That is, root 5 is rational. But the fact is what? Root 5 is not rational number. Root 5 is irrational number. That is, it contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradiction arises because of our assumption. Our assumption is what? Wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong means here 3 plus 2 root 5 is what? Irrational number. Plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Once you see here, our given problem is 3 plus 2 root 5. To prove this one is irrational number, we are assuming that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. If it is rational, it is in the form of what? P by Q form. That is where P and Q are integers, Q is not equals to 0. Now we are writing 2 root 5 equals to what? P by Q, and this 3 we are writing RHS side. Now it is changed as minus 3. Here LCM is what? Q. Now it is P minus 3 into Q, 3Q. P minus 3Q by Q. Now root 5 equals to what? P minus 3Q by 2 into Q, 2Q here. Now it shows that what? Here P and Q are what? Integers. If P and Q are integers, this total is what? Rational number. If it is rational, automatically root 5 is also rational. But the fact is what? Root 5 is irrational number. Why we are getting root 5 is rational? Because of our assumption. Our assumption is what? Root 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Next, second one is prove that root P plus root Q is an irrational, where P comma Q are what? Primes here. To prove this one here, it is given that P comma Q are primes. If P and Q are primes here, then root P comma root Q are what? Irrational numbers. Root P and root Q are Irrational. That means P comma Q have that means P comma Q have no factors other than 1. Other than 1. That means what here? P and Q are primes, then root P comma root Q are what? Irrational numbers. If it is irrational means here they don't have the factors other than 1. That means here root P plus root Q. Root P plus root Q is equals to what this is? Root P is irrational and root Q is also irrational. That means it is what? Sum of two irrational number. Sum of two irrational numbers. Sum of two irrational numbers is also what? An irrational number. Therefore, root P plus root Q is what? Irrational. Therefore, root P plus root Q is irrational number. Here it is given what? We have to prove root P plus root Q is an irrational. Condition is P and Q are primes. If P and Q are primes here, root P and root Q are what? Irrational number. Why here P comma Q have no factors other than 1 because P comma Q are primes. Then what about root P plus root Q here? These are separately root P and root Q what? Irrational number. Then we are adding these two. That is sum of two irrational numbers is what? It is also an irrational number. Therefore root P plus root Q is what? Irrational number. Next homework is example 9 and 10. Those are show that 3 root 2 is irrational and prove that root 3 plus root. Next take this as homework, that is example 9 and example 10. That is show that 3 root 2 is irrational and prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational number.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.